Welcome back to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today we'll be making a classic French Bolognese. It is a fantastic sauce, especially on pasta. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Okay, for our vegetable prep, we've got 3 stalks of celery. We've got 2 carrots and 1 whole onion. 2 cloves of garlic. I'll start off by peeling the carrots. And the carrots, onion, and celery all will get a coarse dice. Onion, celery, and carrot are prepped. Here I have 1 pound of ground pork and 1 pound of ground beef. You can use a Dutch oven on the stove top or a deep boiler to do this recipe. Now we'll just work on cooking the pork and ground beef together and chopping it up as fine as we can during this process. Once the beef and pork is cooked, we'll add our vegetables in. Here, I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. With a wooden spoon, as the meat cooks, just chop it up and combine the pork and beef together and try and get it as fine as possible. Okay, now we'll add our vegetables. And before we add the vegetables, if you've accumulated any juices from cooking the meat, now would be the time to drain the meat before you add the vegetables. We'll cook our vegetables for about 10 minutes. And then we'll add our chicken stock, 1.5 cups of chicken stock, and 1 cup of red wine. I used Merlot. Okay, our vegetables are just tender. Now we'll add our liquid. That's 1/2 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of a dry red wine. We'll give everything a stir, and we'll cook this with the lid on for 30 minutes. Okay, our first 30 minutes is up. I have the stove top on medium heat during the cooking process. Now we'll remove the lid and we'll cook for an additional hour until all of our liquid is evaporated. One hour has passed. As you can see, all the liquid, the stock, and the wine has reduced. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can also use whole milk to the mixture. And 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we'll stir the mixture till everything is well combined. Here I added a handful of cherry tomatoes cut in half. This step is totally optional. And I served my bolognese over homemade tagliatelle pasta, which you can use whatever pasta you would like. And thanks for watching this episode. We'll see you on the next one.